And here we go. 2023. Brand new Xpectations. 2 autos. 7 cards total. 5 are base or subset cards. All cards are numbered to 99 or less. And then 1 in 10 boxes we can find the large, whatever it is, extra large insert card, apparently. So good luck. We'll open this up and then we'll switch it over to the back to the screen. We'll put everyone's names in the randomizer and determine the draft order. Put this around. Empty pack. Pull off bottom 2 cards, I believe. These on top. Here we go. Card number 1. Johnny Bench to 75. Johnny Bench to 75. It's our first card. It's got kind of like the Bowman Platinum foil look to it. Second one up, Adley and Gunner to 99, a dual Clubhouse Compliments card. Pretty cool. Get that one top loaded up. And the top of our pack here, Logan O'Hoppe to 99. So the 99s are just the basic foil. Number to 75 is a crackle foil. Then we got to 49. Alright, next up, Boba 10.99. Basic rainbow foil. To 49 is iridescent. And there's Circuit Citrus foil, Cyber Cyan, Plasma Pink to 5. Bunch of them. We got a Bryce Miller to 75 on the crackle foil. And the last 2 cards here are 2 autos. First auto is Cal Mitchell to 75, rookie. Rookie Cal Mitchell to 75, crackle. And got 1 card left. And it is a Hunter Brown to 99 auto. Rookie auto. So not what we probably wanted, but here we go. Here's our 7 cards. Bryce Miller to 75, Boba to 99, Logan O'Hoppe to 99, the Adley Gunner combo to 99, and a Johnny Bench to 75. And our 2 autos, Hunter Brown to 99, Cal Mitchell to 75. There we go. So I'll take pictures of those. Let's swap over to the break room here. Switch to screen.
At least I don't have to pick my card